In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the "This posting has been flagged for removal" issue on Craigslist. First, open your browser and go to the official site craigslist.org and make sure to log in with your account. Start by reviewing the Craigslist guidelines to ensure that your post follows their terms of use and community rules. Posts that violate these guidelines are often flagged by the system or by other users. Next, try to modify your content. Change the title, description, and images of your post because identical or very similar ads are frequently auto-flagged by the platform. Also, make sure that the item or service you are posting is not on the prohibited list, since posting forbidden items can cause the ad to be removed quickly. Another important step is to check your posting frequency. Craigslist recommends posting only once per city and category every 48 hours. Posting too often can trigger automatic flags. If your ad has already been flagged, avoid reposting it immediately. Instead, wait at least 48 hours, then create a new post with edited content. You should also check your account status. If all of your ads are being flagged, your account or IP address might be restricted. In that case, you may need to contact Craigslist support. If you suspect your IP address is blocked, try posting from a different connection, such as switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Lastly, if you believe the flag was a mistake or done maliciously, you can contact Craigslist support through their help desk to request assistance. And that's it. That's how you fix the "This posting has been flagged for removal" issue on Craigslist.